Welcome to Lincoln Tech's Columbia, Maryland campus, conveniently located between Baltimore and Washington, D.C. We are proud to serve students across Maryland, as well as the nation's capital and even Northern Virginia. Employers have trusted Lincoln Tech schools and our programs for more than 75 years. And today, we're going to show you why so many students make our campus their destination for hands-on training that can lead to a rewarding career. Our campus covers 110,000 square feet and houses training facilities for 6 different industries: auto, electrical, HVAC, welding, medical assisting, and culinary arts. Whether you're working on cars, practicing a skilled trade, assisting healthcare professionals, or cooking up something amazing in the kitchen, a Lincoln Tech diploma or degree shows employers you have what it takes to succeed. They say the average new car has more technology on board than the first space shuttle. And our automotive technology program can help you build skills to work with that technology. Students train in auto bays equipped with lifts, dynos, and tools from Matco. Our program will show you how to rebuild an engine, repair transmissions, troubleshoot and repair air conditioning and heating systems, service brakes and fuel lines, and use diagnostic tools to read codes during engine checks. Our campus hosts Tesla Start, an advanced training program for automotive graduates ready to build careers with the revolutionary automotive brand. Lincoln Tech is one of the few schools in the country that Tesla trusts to deliver this specialized training. We also host the Mazda Automotive Student Training, or MAST program, where you can learn skills specifically geared toward Mazda vehicles. After graduation, students may go on to careers with these industry leaders. Our Electrical and Electronic Systems Technology, or EEST program, focuses on systems like fire alarms, smart home integration, security monitoring, and home theater systems. Graduates of this program are equipped with skills for installing, troubleshooting, repairing, and maintaining these systems. Students train in a stick house on campus, where cutaway walls are designed to let them experience the same types of environments that professionals work in every day. The Columbia campus is proud to host the JCI Academy through an exclusive partnership with Johnson Controls International. EEST graduates can apply for this paid internship program, with the opportunity to build advanced skills for in-demand careers in the fire alarm and security system industries. To help increase your earning potential, both our automotive and electrical programs include the option to pursue an Associate of Applied Science degree. Training in air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating technology, or HVAC, can start you on the road to a career in residential or commercial settings. Students train on industry-standard Hamden equipment to give them a more realistic experience. They learn to perform energy audits, troubleshoot and repair climate control and refrigeration systems, and work with environmentally friendly green technology. Electrical and HVAC graduates can also pursue advanced training opportunities at select Lincoln campuses with Hussmann's TechX program and the Food Industry Technician or FIT program from the Food Processing Suppliers Association. Welding skills can help you launch a new career in a number of industries, including construction, automotive, manufacturing, infrastructure, and more. Students in our Welding and Metal Fabrication Technology program start on virtual welding trainers. They then move to an individual booth where they can learn common welding techniques like MIG, TIG, shielded metal arc, gas metal, flux core and stick welding, as well as metal fabrication. They also prepare for important pre-qualification tests. Passing these tests and earning certifications lets employers know their welds are up to industry standards. If you're interested in a healthcare career, check out our medical assistant training program. Medical assistant students build skills for providing hands-on patient care while working in support of doctors and nurses in a broad range of healthcare settings. Our instructors teach you how to perform blood draws, take vital signs, administer EKGs, and complete patient charts. You'll also learn about the administrative side of working in a medical practice, complete a clinical internship at an off-campus healthcare facility, and prepare to sit for the Registered Medical Assistant exam offered by the American Medical Technologists. Passing this exam is the final step toward pursuing your new healthcare career. Our Columbia campus is also home to Lincoln Culinary Institute, where you can train for careers in culinary arts and food services, or international baking and pastry. Training prepares you to enter the industry as a first-line team member in the kitchens of restaurants, hotels, resorts, and more. Our culinary program covers dishes built around meats, poultry, and fish, classical cooking methods, and new techniques that are redefining the industry. The program also includes nutrition, menu prep, and food service operation. Our baking and pastry courses cover techniques for making cakes, breads, pastries, and more. The artistry of chocolate and sugar work is also included. And by graduation, you'll be preparing meals and desserts that will impress any prospective employer. Lincoln Culinary Institute graduates can also apply for a life-changing internship at Walt Disney World in Florida. Each year, the entertainment and hospitality giant selects a handful of graduates for the Disney College program, which might even lead to job opportunities later on. The Lincoln Tech and Lincoln Culinary Institute staff, from admissions to education and financial aid to career services, are focused on your success. As you near graduation, we'll connect you with employers looking to fill open positions on their teams. We also offer specialized services for veterans of the armed forces. We hope to see you soon at our Columbia campus. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at lincolntech.edu.